offered is third-party help. Illinois has already contracted.
So I'm out working out in the field, doing deliveries and doing today. I have a contract that it snowed in Chicago. So when deliveries are slow, what I wind up doing is doing landscaping work. And just started landscaping part of my business. We got some snow in Chicago. So when it come down to this virus, as you can see, I have my mask. Bought this mask from Blaine Farm and Fleet in the summertime. Caught a good deal on it. As you can see, I bought this mask and it really been helping me. Guys, I got my gloves here. Got my sanitation. I am really been prepared for what we have out here, guys, with this pandemic. And a lot of people in the Chicagoland area have really lost their lives. So I'm just trying to, the video that I'm making today is not necessarily talking about money, right? But it's about out here, guys, being prepared. A lot of people are taking it not serious. Social distancing is very serious, guys. And people are dying at an alarming rate. People are being hospitalized at an alarming rate. So I just ask for you guys to take it seriously. Some counties are requiring you to have a mask on before you go out. Some cities are requiring that. Some states. I don't have the luxury to work from home. I'm a contractor. I have to make deliveries. When the deliveries are slow, I had to think out of the box, guys, and get into the landscaping portion of the business. Believe it or not, I was lawnmowing some grass yesterday, and today I am de-icing and shoveling snow in Chicago. And just to let you know that you can have a nice warm day one day, and then it can be cold the next day. So I just want to let you know, guys, be safe out there. I haven't did a video in a while because of the coronavirus, but I thought, it's very important for me to do a video. Want to make sure that you understand too, guys. Get your vitamin C. It's very important for you to take your vitamin C today, guys. It's good for your immune system. B12 is good for immune build up. Nothing can combat this virus, but what they do say, if you have a weak immune system, it attack your immune system. I drink my orange juice. I get my vitamin C, and I stay away from 6 feet away from people. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and take care. Today is April the 17th, 2020. Take care.